Welcome to Growing Plants for Beginners, Episode 10, Growing Foxtail Fountain Grass. Yes, dear, I'll get right on that. Hello again, welcome back to my garage. It's John from Growing Plants for Beginners, part of the DIYB group of videos. Today we're going to be talking about growing some ornamental grass seed. This is called Foxtail, something my wife wanted me to put together for the garden next year. So let's take a look, shall we? Okay, so here we go. Here are my foxtail seeds. I'm a member of the local horticultural society, and this time of year we like to collect our seeds, and these are some foxtail seeds that I've collected. They come in a bushy tail. I'll add pictures to the video for you to see. So they come in like, it looks like a bushy foxtail, and then at this time of year when they start to die and dry out, not necessarily die, but when they start to dry out, you grab the tail and you rub it backwards, and all these seeds come off. Quite a bit of seeds for one tail. This is all one tail. Let's see if I can show you a closer picture without them blowing away on me. There you go. So like little seeds with hairs on them. They can fly away very easily, and that's how I guess that's how they plant themselves when they fall off the plant. So what we're gonna do is my wife loves this and she wants it for our garden next year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some soil. I'm going to fill this hanging basket full of soil. And how these work are you don't bury them deep. You just sprinkle them on top. And then you finally dust the top with soil to barely cover them. If you see a few showing, that's fine. But you just want to barely cover them and then wait for them to germinate. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so for this I'm going to use my Miracle-Gro potting mix. And at the bottom of this bucket you'll see here it's got a drainage hole. Okay, I'm going to put this in one of my seed trays so that the water can drain out into a seed tray. But for now, I don't want soil clogging this drainage hole up. You can see it there, right? A little tiny, it's a small hole. If I put soil on top of that, it's just going to clog it up and it's not going to work effectively. So I'm going to take some of my lava rocks. I bought some lava rocks. These here. All right, they're nice and porous, and they'll help the water drain through that hole without clogging it up. So I'm going to do that right now. There we go. So I've filled the hole and I've surrounded it with these rocks. That should be enough, I think. Okay. And then we're going to add our potting mix. Okay, I'm just going to adjust a few things in that bag. I'm going to rip it open wider. I'm going to cover this up and then I'll check back with you in a minute. Okay, so our pot's full of potting mix. And then our seeds, as you see here, they're little light, fluffy, I don't know, kind of like fairy things. You can see that. I think you can see that. So anyway, so when these fall off the plant, they just land in soil like that. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to spread them out throughout my soil. Try to do as much of a single layer as I can. I don't want them sitting on top of each other. All right. This is a beautiful ornamental grass. Make a nice addition to our garden next summer. See if these will grow indoors for now. Get them all nice and healthy, and then in the summer we'll just transplant them from here into our garden. Just the right amount of seeds for this pot, I'll tell you that. Alright, so we'll take this. There we go, spread them out a bit more. Okay. So there's our fine layer of grass seed. And then we're just going to cover that up a little bit. Oh, a couple more seeds. Cover that up with just a fine layer of sand. Oh, sorry, fine layer of soil. We're not using sand today, are we? There we go. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna take that down to our grow center, or my grow center in the basement, and give it a good watering. And there you go. That's ornamental grass seed. Very simple. Make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you hit like if you like this video. By hitting subscribe, I'll keep you coming back, keep you informed of how our seeds are doing. We'll check back in every so often and do another video on how well everything is growing, and maybe every week or so, depending on how long these take to grow. I'll give you an update video on how we're making out. Okay? So once again, like, subscribe. Thank you for joining me. Always a pleasure having you. Good. Look forward to seeing you again.